Can you solve this question? Can you solve this? Let's take a look at it together. We have the area of a rectangle is 48 centimeters squared and the perimeter of the rectangle is 32 centimeters. We have to find the length and width of the rectangle. So now let's start by writing out the formula for the area of a rectangle and the perimeter. So the area of a rectangle is length times breadth, while the perimeter of a rectangle will be 2 length plus 2 breadth. So now this says the area is 48. So that means we have 48. That means we have, let's write it like this, LB, that is length times breadth, equals 48. And then here we have 2 brackets L plus B to be equal to 32. That's the perimeter. So now let's start by simplifying this one. So this one means length plus breadth will be 32 divided by 2. That will be 16. So if length plus breadth is 16, this is one equation. Length times breadth is 48, and this is another equation. Length plus breadth is 16. So now let's solve this simultaneously. Which one should we do? First, let's start with this. Let's make maybe L the subject of the formula here, or you can decide to make L the subject of the formula here. Let's try which one will work. So L, let's say L will be equal to 16 minus B. So we'll substitute this in this. So this means we'll be having 16 minus B, then times B will be equal to 48. So this gives 16B minus B squared to be equal to 48. So let's rewrite this. Let's bring everything together. This gives b squared minus 16b equals 48. How did we get this? When negative b comes here, minus 0, sorry, minus plus 48, plus 48, plus 48 equals 0. How did I get this? When negative b plus comes here, it becomes positive. When 16b comes here, it becomes negative. So I just put everything to the left side. This has become a quadratic equation. So how do we solve this quadratic equation? Let's try factorization. Let's take a look at this. We have negative 16 here, and then we have positive 28 here. And when we want to factorize, we have to look for two factors that when we add them together, when we add, let's say, x and y, x plus y must give 16, and then x times y must give 48. So now let's look for factors of 48. For factors of 28, we have 2 and 24. If you say 2 times 24, it gives 48, but 2 plus 24 can never give 16. So it cannot be this. So let's try 3. We have 3 and what is that? 3 here, 1, 3 and 16. 3 plus 16 can never give 16. So let's try 4, right? We have 4 and 12. 4 times 12 gives 48. 4 plus 12 gives 16. So this is what we'll be using. Now we have negative 16 here. So that will be negative 4 and negative 16. Negative 4 minus 12 will give negative 16, and negative 4 times negative 12 gives positive 48. So we have b squared to be equal to minus 4b, then minus 12b, and then plus 48 to be equal to 0. When you say minus 4b minus 12b, that gives negative 16b. So now let's take them in 2 so that we have b is common here, and then we'll be having b minus 4. And then for this, let's bring out, what can we bring out? Because we need negative in the bracket here, so let's bring out negative 12. When we bring out negative 12, we'll be having b, then minus 4 equals 0, because negative 12 times b gives negative 12b, Negative 12 times negative 4 gives positive 48. So now we are having b minus 4 and then b minus 12 to be equal to 0. So that means b is either 4 or 12. So the question says we should find the length and width of the rectangle. Now that we found b to be 4 or 12, now let's put 4 and 12 in any of this equation to find b. Now let's find b. Which equation should we use? We can use the first one and we can use the second one. Don't forget that b, the formula area, this is the area. LB is equal to 48. So that means LB equals 48. So when b is 4, 4L equals 48. L will be equal to 12. And when B is 12, 12L equals 48. L will be equal to what? L will be equal to 4. So that means when L is 4, B is 12. And when L is 12, B is B is 4. Either way. So that means the length and the width of the triangle can be like this. So that means the length and the width will be 4 and 12. And that is how to solve this question. So now if you have to find the area, 4 times 12 gives 48, and to find the perimeter 2L plus 2 breadth. 2 times 4, 4 that gives 8, plus 2 times 12 that is 20. 2 times 12 that is 24. So 8 plus 24 gives 32. So that means our answer is correct. And that is how to answer this question. Were you able to solve it yourself? Let me know in the comments.